For a quick update on the NSE, the Nigerian Stock Exchange All-Share Index closed trading up 0.57% to 37,259.91. Now joining us to discuss the activity in the market is Nnennaya Umeh. She's a stockbroker at FSDH Securities. It's great to have you on the show, Nena. I would like to start with your thoughts on trading today. We saw the index hit the 37,000 mark yesterday and still trading upwards.
Okay, thank you, Didi, for having me. The Nigerian Stock Exchange today, the ASI closed above 37,000 today, and the market appears to be very strong, and I expect this trend to continue in the future.
I'd like to move on to results out from Transcorp. Of course, we saw full-year revenue down, profit after tax down as well. Your thoughts on the company's financials? I mean, we saw that stock go down initially when the market, when the result came out, it was down 7.8%. Today, it went up 1.7%. So your thoughts on the results and how the market is reacting?
Well, with respect to the result, I think the company is having greater costs due to finance costs. And there's a combination of factors, firstly being that the company has embarked on projects in the long term, like the oil projects and the power projects, which in the current term, you will not expect to yield any income. In addition to that, the company is currently having a rights issue, which is closing on the 31st at ₦1. So I believe a lot of investors want to sell at the current price so that they can take up their rights at ₦1. Towards the closure.
We also saw a Q1 result from RT Briscoe. Market has reacted negatively to that. The stock has traded down. What are your prospects for that stock going forward?
I think it will probably go down for the next few trading days before it picks up. By the time the company releases the next quarter results, I believe it should be better, because looking at the account, I could see that the finance cost was also high, and the level of inventories in the account increased, which to me explains the reason why the account wasn't too good.
I'd like to move on to Cadbury, that stock being one of the top gainers in trading today, up 10%. Now, despite the full-year revenue and profit after tax down, that stock has continued to trade upwards since the financials were actually released. In fact, it's gone up 52% since then. So it'd be interesting to know your thoughts on why we're seeing gains in Cadbury.
Currently, I think there is this bandwagon effect in stocks, multinationals at the moment, the likes of Pizza, the likes of Unilever at the moment. But just like you noted, Cadbury appears to be grossly overvalued at this moment. Fine, the company is a success story. They paid the first dividend after 8 years. They have better management. But I think the stock, there's an element of irrational exuberance here, and the stock has gotten to, is almost getting to 2008 resistance level, which was 57.4. I do not expect Cadbury to go beyond that.